Welcome back, Philippines. So, nandito na ako sa Pilipinas. And for my first coffee, I decided to go dito sa second branch ng Blake's Wings and Steak dito sa Makati. So far, I'm loving the view kasi I'm guessing na yung original design ng building na to is kinip nila or hindi nila masyado binago. So good. So, syempre, paborito natin ng brewed coffee. Yun na yung inuna ko. And ito nga binigyan nila ako ng nag-order tayo ng appetizers. So, check ko yung sauce kung okay ba.
Nag-order ako sa kanila sa Grab.
And so far, so good actually. Masarap yung kape nila. And the best thing about it is you can order again for a free refill. So, dun pa lang, happy na ako. Kasi not a lot of restaurants really do that. Enjoy ko talaga yung pagkain kaagad. Na-miss ko yung suka or vinegar sa Pilipinas. Kasi ilang araw din talaga ako sa South Korea. And yun nga, sinerve na nila yung steak. Ang laki ng steak serving. So, medium rare to. And local steak siya. It's only 465 pesos something. So, below 500 pesos siya. Pero, sobrang dami niya. Actually, nahirapan akong ubusin siya. And I really love the fact na meron silang sariling sauce nila. So, marami na palang branches yung Blake's when I checked their website. And hindi naman nakapagtataka, no? Kasi masarap talaga yung mga food nila and servings nila. And I really love na nagkaroon na sila ng second branch dito sa Makati kasi lagi talagang puno yung una nilang branch. So the second branch is really so spacious and mas marami silang ino-offer including this happy hour. Siguro hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung dessert nila. It could be improved but the rest is amazing. As you see, I'm really grateful to be home. Napakaraming magandang i-explore din dito sa bansa natin. I really love the Philippines and I hope you have time to check out Blake's Wings and Steak. So, hindi to sponsored or anything. It's just really a good branch here in Chino Roces.